Good afternoon and welcome to News 9. I'm Nolan Pinto. We have some big news coming in now. Chief Minister Siddaramaia's shocker on 6-year-old's rape. Well, Siddaramaia's shocker on 6-year-old's rape. Is the rape story the only news you have? This is what Siddaramaiah to a reporter.
Bangalore? Rape. Yen adbittu bere vichara illo nimage. Is it the only news you are having?
Sir, one more sir incident
Yes.
in Mysore, in your own constituency, where a girl was made to sleep for nearly 3 hours naked in a hospital when she went. She was a rape victim, and government made her to sleep for naked in the hospital.
Who told you?
It is on the newspaper, sir. We have been running the story on our
But I
channel.
have to get the information.
Women Commission has recommended the action in that case. Women Commission has recommended the action in that case. Women Commission visited that place.
Whatever action is required, we will take. Political. Yeah, see, we are wherever we can see invoke Gunda Act, we are going to invoke. Bangalore? Rape. Yen adbittu bere vichara illo nimage. Is it the only news you are having? Bangalore? Rape. Yen adbittu bere vichara illo nimage. Is it the only news you are having?
Sir. 3 hours naked in a hospital.
Well, in fact, you heard what Chief Minister Siddaramaiah had to say over there. He says he basically asked a reporter who wanted to know about what action the government is taking. He says, is the rape story the only news you have? You just heard him asking the reporter that, stating that are there not other issues? Now, it's very interesting because when people say that the government is sleeping, sometimes you have no other option but to believe that the government is sleeping when the chief minister himself cannot see the n number of cases coming to light almost on an everyday basis. You have rape cases coming to light in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night, and the chief minister has to come out and state this. Are there no other issues than this? For more on this, I'm joined in by my colleague Arun. Arun, a very responsible statement on part of the Chief Minister, don't you think?
Nolan, the government has been pushed to the corner. Remember, there has been scrutiny, media scrutiny, trial by media virtually as far as the rape case is concerned. It's a very heinous crime. It's something which shook the very basis of humanity. A 6-year-old child being brutally sexually molested by a monster. And it was only yesterday that the monster was arrested, but clearly that has hit at the very fact of humanity. It is something which has not gone down too well by anyone. There was even a debate in the assembly, but clearly the government has been pushed to the wall because remember, on one particular day, that is the very same day on which this particular crime was reported, the very next day after that, you had something like 7 rape cases being reported from the length and breadth of the state. So clearly the government has been pushed to the wall, and this kind of relentless media scrutiny, trial by media has left a lot of people, particularly the government, wondering as to what exactly seems to be happening, and that's the reason why you are seeing this kind of a very blunt, extremely provocative kind of a response coming in from the CEO of the state. That's none other than the Chief Minister. It is a very regrettable kind of a development, something which does not show either the government or the CEO, that is Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, in very good light, Nolan.
Now, Arun, does the Chief Minister and the government want us all to sleep on the issue like the government has been doing for the past few weeks?
Probably not, but they are concerned in the sense that there seems to be an avalanche of these kind of news, and that seems to have really put them a very tight corner. Because remember, you are not talking of something which is Bangalore centric, something which is happening only in the outskirts of Bangalore. Today you've had one rape case, one 3-year-old child, a child which is younger than the 6-year-old Vibgyor High student. That has come from, once again, the outskirts of Bangalore. There was a married woman who's been raped in Mysore. Mysore happens to be, incidentally, the Chief Minister's domain. When you talk of Mysore, you say that's Chief Minister Siddaramaya's area. That's one of the constituencies where he comes from is in Mysore. So clearly, you are seeing this kind of atrocious activities being reported throughout the length and breadth of the state, and that is what is worrying the commoner, because the common people seem to be only asking one thing: what is it that the government is doing? What is it that the police force is doing? Why is it that they are not able to nab these people? There has in fact been a suggestion which has been made by the opposition, and which seems to be the government's viewpoint also, that they would like to impose the Gunda Act on all rapists, irrespective of whether he is a first timer or a repeat offender. But clearly that is not deterring, let me underline the word not deterring, these kind of monsters from carrying out these acts. There is very little at this point of time perhaps that the government can do other than pray and hope that things tide over and that there are better things to worry about, rather than this perennial media audit that is seemingly happening for the last week or 10 days, Nolan.
Right, Arun, thank you very much for all that. In fact, a shocker from the Chief Minister over there. Let's now once more listen into what he had to say when a reporter questioned him on the state of affairs in the state.
In that case, Women Commission visited that place.
Whatever action is required, we will take. Bangalore? Rape. ಏನು ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಮಗೆ? Is it the only news you are having? Bangalore? Rape. ಏನು ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಮಗೆ? Is it the only news you are having?
You just heard what Chief Minister Siddaramaiah had to say over there. He wanted to ask the question. He in turn asked the reporter, is that the only news that you have, or is that the only news that you are covering? Now the Chief Minister forgets that, like my colleague Arun was clearly stating, even today, so many cases have been reported from Mysore, another one from Bangalore itself. And so it's not just in Bengaluru, it's also in different districts. Earlier it was cases coming out from districts, but now it's right there in our own backyard, right here in Bengaluru. Cases coming out. Morning we also informed you about how cases of a teacher sexually assaulting another teacher going on for the past 4 years. Then in Mangalore, where a teacher sexually assaulted a student. So with so many cases going on, the government just comes out and makes lame statements stating that they will think about imposing provisions of the Gunda Act on such individuals. But it's not about thinking, it's not about what they will do in the future. People want to know what they will do now.
But I have to get the information.
Women Commission has recommended the action in that case. Women Commission has recommended the action in that case. Women Commission visited that place.
Whatever action is required, we will take. Political. Yeah, see, we are wherever we can invoke Gunda Act, we are going to invoke. Bangalore? Rape. ಏನು ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಮಗೆ? Is it the only news you are having? Bangalore? Rape. ಏನು ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬೇರೆ ವಿಚಾರ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ನಿಮಗೆ? Is it the only news you are having?
And government made her to sleep or naked in the hospital. Who told you? It is on the newspaper, sir. We have been running the story on our
But I
channel.
have to get the information.
Women Commission has recommended the action in that case. Women Commission
In
has
fact, the
recommended
government
the action in that case.
clearly there on the back foot. The Chief Minister hassled at questions being thrown at him regarding the
See, we are
numerous incidents of rape in the city. not just in the city but in different parts of the state, and that is why he had to actually ask the reporter, are there not other stories or any other stories apart from rape? But clearly the government on a back foot over here does not know what to do at the moment. The opposition is hammering the government in the assembly, outside. Citizens are questioning the government, people are questioning the government, students are questioning the government. And the Chief Minister has no other answer but to say is rape story the only news you have to the media.
Government made her to sleep or naked in the hospital. It is on the newspaper, sir. We have been running the story on our
But I
channel.
have to get the information.
Women Commission has recommended the action in that case. Women Commission has recommended the action in that case. Women Commission visited that place.
Whatever action is required.
Chief
we will
Minister
take.
on the left of your television
Political-
screen, well, sleeping over the matter when a very important topic that is about rapes in the city, rapes in the state were being discussed in the assembly.